Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have filmed this makeup look for you right here, which is super exciting because if you have been following me on social media for the past kind of couple of months, you would have seen that I have revealed that I am an ETMORE Beauty Squad member. And if we haven't met before, my name is Shiv, and if you are joining me again then welcome. So yeah, I am going to introduce you to the brand ETMORE Beauty. I have some of their products for you right here, some of which I have used today to create this makeup look for you. They have officially launched today, which is super exciting. So go check out all their links below, and if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please carry on watching and I'll show you how. So for this look, the first shade I'm going to go into is this pink shade right here, which is a matte pink. It's really pretty, and this is from the Call Me Soon eyeshadow palette, and I'm just taking this on my Fancy Co eyeshadow blending brush, going into the product and then tapping off the excess. And I'm just going to lightly apply this just above that crease as my first transition shade, just going backwards and forwards in windshield wiper motions to really distribute the product and then it just kind of wiggle it around to really blend it out. The next shade I'll be taking is from the Look At Me Now eyeshadow palette, and it is this light brown shade right at the bottom, which is also a matte. And it goes to show you really can mix and match the eyeshadow palettes. I'm just going to start by working this on the outer crease of the eye and then slowly bringing it inwards. The next shade I'll be taking is this dark kind of purpley brown shade from the Look At Me Now eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking that on another fluffy brush. Just tapping off the excess, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with the lighter brown with this shade, just concentrate it deeper into the crease and don't bring it up so high. In between this, I'm just going to go back in with the lighter brown and the brush that it was on, just to give it a further blend. I'll do this a couple times just to really get that nice transition going. Next, I'm applying a cream base just to give the eyeshadow something to stick to, and this is the Maybelline Colour Tattoo in the shade Metallic Pomegranate. I haven't used this in a while, so it may have dried up a little bit, but we can get it going. I'm just using a flat synthetic brush for this. They are the perfect brushes to apply like cream products with. And then I'm just going to apply this to the lid as a base for the shadows. The next shade I'll be taking is this amazing gold shade, which is from the Look At Me Now eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that and apply it to the inner half of my eyelid using a flat shader brush. This is the MAC 239, I believe. I've spritzed it already with a little bit of fixing spray just to dampen the brush slightly. Then I'm just going to take the eyeshadow, just work it into the brush, tap off the excess a little bit, and then just start by Wow. Oh my god, that gold is amazing. I haven't actually used the gold shade yet. Wow. That is such nice gold. Yep, that gold is incredible. The next shade I'll be taking is this one right here, which is almost like a bronze with a mixture of cranberry. It's really pretty. So I'm just going to take this one right here and pop it on the outer half of the lid. And I'm taking a new flat shader brush. This one is the Zoeva 234 Luxe Smoky Shader Brush. It's pretty much just a dupe of the MAC 239 if you're looking for a cheaper option. Let's see how this one goes. Yeah, that is so pretty. Love it. Love it. I'm just going to take the brush that had the darker shade in it, tap into it a little bit, and then just work that on the outer edge of the eye just to give it a little bit of a blend. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. That is so pretty. Eek. For highlight, I'm actually going to take this shade right here from the Call Me Soon. Did I read the right palette out earlier? Yeah, I did. So I'm going to take this little highlight shader from the Call Me Soon eyeshadow palette on a little shader brush. This is just the one you get in the Anastasia palettes. I'm just going to pop this in the inner corner. It'll work as a really pretty inner corner highlight. Look at that, that's so nice. And then I'm going to pop that onto the brow bone as well. And then just take the brush from the beginning that had like the light pinky shade on it. It won't have much left on the brush. Just to blend in the highlight so it's not like a harsh stripy line. So that's the eye look finished for now. Now what I'm going to go and do is apply my winged liner and then some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back to finish off the eyeshadow. So I'm halfway through filming and someone in my house has put the washing machine on, so I have to sit here and wait because it's on the spin cycle, and as you probably can hear, I might turn up the volume on this clip. The washing machine is on the second floor, so it makes a lot of sound. I'm halfway through filming, so at least I don't have to do the whole thing again or anything like that. I just have to wait for the spin cycle to stop. So lashes, mascara, liner is on. Now to finish up the eyes before we move on to the face. So I'm just going to be taking the same gold shade that I used on the inner, oh you can see my eye now, hello, how weird. I'm going to use that on the inner corner of my like lower lash line. Just on the exact same brush that I used for the lid, just brush this underneath about halfway, blending it into the inner corner highlight. Then I'm going to take the kind of bronzy shade that we used for the outer half of the lid and apply this underneath the lower lash line on the outer section. Okay, cool, so the eyes are all done. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face. When it gets up to a certain part, I shall come right back. We are back with a ghostly looking face. Now I need to add some glow, so I'm taking the ETMORE Liquid Illuminator in the shade Champagne Ice, which is the more of the pinky shade, which goes better with paler skin tones. This is what I'm going to go ahead and take and pops on the high points of my face using my sponge. Ooh. Just going to pop this on the tops of my cheekbones, above the brow, tip of the nose and above the lip. Then I'm going to take the sponge just to blend out the liquid illuminator and give my skin a glow from within. This will also really help to make that highlighter last all night. I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. I definitely recommend going ahead and checking out ETMORE Beauty. The links will all be in the description box below, and they have officially launched today, which is super exciting, so you can go ahead and get your hands on these amazing products. I think the eyeshadow palette is £10, which is amazing. I can't remember off the top of my head how much the liquid illuminator is, but I shall pop up for you right here with the price. So yeah, I shall love you and leave you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing how I created this makeup look. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I shall see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! I'm going to introduce you to next I'm applying a cream base just to give then I'm just all that's it for shadows at the oh god, oh no. Now ETMORE Beauty can't talk today. I'm now just going to, so that, what the heck am I talking about? I just trapped my finger in the palette, that really hurt, ow ow ow. So that's what I'm, bye, not the time.